In today's global scenario, because of the fierce competitiveness, each and every industry is focusing more on logistics to reduce the transport and transit inventory cost. Also, to meet up with the demand-supply gap, there is a lot of expectations and demands from road transport. Globally, trucks are made to run about 800 kilometers a day. India is the fastest growing economy in the world, where the demand for transportation of commodities is continuously growing. In spite of improved infrastructure, the trucks currently operating only between 200 to 300 kilometers a day. The transport industry can become more competitive and profitable if the truck does 18 hours of operation and 800 kilometers running per day. The revenue per truck can more than double with this productivity level. With availability of enough load, the truck can run more if engine is powered enough to do trips faster. Driveline is capable of handling any kind of terrain if the service and maintenance intervals are long. Above all, the driver has to stay in the truck for a longer period of time. Identifying this need, Tata Motors has developed a range of products which will transform the transport industry. Tata Motors presents the Prima Tractor Trailers. The Prima Tractor Trailers range offers high power to weight ratio, high performance and international safety standard, high safety, excellent reliability, long product life. All these resulting in superior economy and profitability. With a commitment to modernize the face of Indian transport, Tata Motors got together a combination of experts from Mumbai, Pune, Jamshedpur and Lucknow, combined with professionals from Korea and Warwick, UK. The cabin was designed from Italy, chassis frame technology from Mexico, suspension know-how from the US, gearbox expertise from US and Germany, engines from US and Europe, die design from the best in Japan and Korea, and the best of Swiss fabrication. Tata Motors presents the Prima 4028S. The 4028 is powered with Cummins ISBE engine with an ECU-controlled common rail direct injection, giving an output of 266 horsepower and 970 Newton-meter torque. It meets the BS3 pollution norms. The ECU helps with the following benefits. For driving with optimum fuel economy, the following features are provided: cruise control, load-based speed control, idle shutdown. For safety, the following features are provided: starter lockout, gear down protection, neutral start. 430mm diameter pull type single plate organic clutch with clutch booster is provided. It has a ZF9 speed range gearbox with an overdrive ratio of 0.75 for speed and economy. The gear selection and engagement is done through cables operated by the gear lever. A green rabbit signal appears in the cluster box when the high range is engaged. Tata HR 210 rear axle with planetary gear reductions in hub is provided for better traction and life. Hub reduction axles also helps in better ground clearance of 270 millimeters. The 4028 comes with a heavy-duty Ford 7.5-ton front axle with large wheel lock angle, offering high reliability and shorter turning circle radius. Radial tyres of 11R20 size are provided, offering better life and economy. The driveline offers a maximum speed of 99 km per hour and a gradability of 10.1 degrees in first gear. Crash-tested cabin which meets international safety norms. Comfort. The cabin is mounted on 4 points with coil spring, shock absorbers and torsion bars, which offers excellent riding comfort. Single key operation for fuel tank, door lock and engine ignition. Pneumatic suspended seat. This is a 9-way adjustable pneumatic suspended seat to accommodate drivers of any height and weight. Adjustable steering column for driving comfort. An HVAC and a music system to make your journey better. All comfort features enabling drivers to drive longer for better productivity. (65° hydraulic tilt cabin for easy access to engine compartment. The pump can be operated both electrically and mechanically. Storage box on either side for storing materials like jack and other tools. Interconnected twin fuel tank with a capacity of 625 litres for long haulage is provided. Jost make pressed fifth wheel coupling with extended lever for easy unlocking. Provision made to slide the coupler on the long member for load distribution. Seven-pole connector provided for coupling with trailer. Trackit, Advanced Telematics Control Unit, ACTU, GPS. Vehicle tracking, built-in internal memory, diagnostics on serial port, real-time location information for the vehicle on internet-enabled PC, two-way message, SMS, and voice communication between the driver and fleet owner for effective administration. Emergency help call facility for events like accident, etc. Integrated data logger offers benefits like monitoring fuel consumption and fuel theft and real-time alarms for the fleet owner. Monitoring vehicle driving cycle and misuse, wrong driving patterns. Monitoring vehicle performance parameters like engine RPM, gear ratio, braking, etc. to indicate vehicle health and service needs for avoiding breakdown. Provision for external rechargeable battery for power backup can keep communication between vehicle and fleet owner going on even if ignition is off. This is in addition to the 8-hour battery backup. Features like USB and CAN improve connectivity to new devices like printers, memory, mobile handset, etc. Display to monitor vehicle performance. Coolant temperature, battery voltage, oil pressure, total engine hours, total trip distance, average fuel consumption, fuel tank content, distance to empty. It has both Hindi and English options. Prima tractors have already established its supremacy in terms of distance run per day and tonnage handled per month over other tractors in the market due to its powerful driveline and better driving comforts. From Jamshedpur to Mumbai, the Prima takes 2.5 days to cover 2,200 kilometers, whereas other trucks take 5 days. From Surat to Chennai, a distance of 1,600 kilometers, the Prima takes 2.5 days as compared to other trucks which take 5 days. From Mitapur to Baddi, a distance of 1,800 kilometers, the Prima takes 2 days, whereas others take 4 days. Due to less acquisition cost and better turnaround time, investment on Prima tractors provides better return on investment consistently for a long period of time. Tata Motors wants to transform the entire face of the Indian transport industry and transform the way the world tracks.